excellent.
Super. Super. Okay. Excellent. Excellent as an excellent. Super. Okay. All right. So now we will learn the colors name. Okay. So Aravir and Nitanya, both of you tried very well, but we will learn how to say it correctly. So the heading is lay cooler. Cooler. Okay. Lay cooler. है भैया.
Lake.
Yeah.
Lay cooler.
Yeah. All of you say 2 times.
Lake
Lay
cooler.
cooler.
है भैया. Lay cooler. Akshay, you also say lay cooler. Yeah. Unmute yourself. Okay.
Lake cooler.
है भैया. Okay. Very nice.
है भैया.
Next one is blanc. Okay. Say 5 times blanc.
Blanc.
Long.
Long.
Long. Long.
Blanc.
Long. Long.
Blanc.
Long. See,
है भैया. This is blanc. Very nice.
ma'am, blanc. Ma'am, white is called blanc.
Blanc. है भैया. Next one
Blanc.
is jaune. Jaune.
Jaune.
Jaune.
Jaune.
Jaune.
Jaune.
Okay,
Jaune.
ma'am.
Jaune.
And
Jaune.
ma'am, orange.
No. Next one is orange. Say 5 times orange. Orange.
Orange.
Orange.
Orange.
Orange.
Orange.
Orange.
Orange.
Okay.
Orange.
Yeah.
Yes.
Next one is rouge. Rouge.
Rouge.
Rouge. Ha. Who.
Rouge.
Who.
Rouge.
Rouge.
Ma'am,
Rouge. 5 times. Say rouge.
Rouge.
who's
Rouge. Rouge.
है भैया. Next one is hose. Hose. Next one is
Hose.
hose. 5
Hose.
times. Hose.
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 है भैया.
Hose.
Akshay, you also
Hose.
say 5 times. Akshay, say hose. Very nice. Okay, next one is violet. Violet.
Violet.
Yeah, next
Violet.
one is violet.
Violet.
Violet. Okay, say 5 times. Akshay, unmute yourself. Violet. Violet. Violet.
violet.
है भैया. Next one is blur. Blur.
Blur.
Blur.
Blur. Blur. Blur.
Next one is where. Okay.
Where.
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 Yeah. V-E-R-T. Where. Okay.
Where.
Yeah. Next
Where.
one is beige. Beige.
Beige.
5 times beige.
Beige.
Beige. Beige. Beige. Next one is green. Okay. आप इसको घी भी बोल सकते हो, घई भी बोल सकते हो, as you wish. घी, घई, both is good. Okay.
Ma'am, एक कौन सी ड्रेपी हो मैम? It is blanc. Sorry ma'am, blanc et rouge.
Yeah, blanc et rouge. Okay, next one is marron. Marron.
Marron.
Yeah.
Marron.
5 times marron.
Ma'am, what was the previous one?
Green.
Green.
Or gust.
Yeah.
Green.
Yeah. Both of them are
Green.
correct, okay.
Green.
Yeah.
Gust.
Yeah. So next one is marron.
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 And
Marron.
Noir. 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 No R. Okay. Huh. Noir. Noir.
Noir.
Yeah. Noir.
Noir.
Noir. Very nice. So marron. Marron. Noir. Marron.
Marron. Noir.
Jaune.
Wrong.
Yeah.
Orange.
Now I will call you and you are going to read the colors one more time. Okay? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Continue, Aravi.
Yes ma'am.
Yeah.
Blanc. Blanc.
Read the heading also.
La coulée.
Galat. No.
Les coulées.
Lay cooler. Lay cooler.
Yes.
Yeah.
Blanc. Jean.
Très bien.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, very good.
Ma'am, I forgot. Yes, ma'am.
Orange.
Orange.
Orange. Okay. Orange.
I remember.
Very nice.
Orange.
Wow.
Whose?
Wow.
Whose? Whose? Vouet.
Violet.
Bleu.
Violet.
Violet.
Say 5 times violet. Say 5 times.
Violet. 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 And violet.
And also orange. Say 5 times.
Orange.
Orange.
Orange. And orange.
Très bien. Next one is
Très bien.
no. Très bien.
Ma'am, now next is
Très bien as in very good. So very good थोड़ी बोलोगे आप. Okay. Yeah. So this is a compliment
next
for you. अगर मैम आपको बोल रही है très bien, it means you are doing good, right?
very good.
Yeah, very good. So next one is blur.
Bleu.
Blur.
Ma'am, I done blue. Now, ma'am, I am on green.
Okay, continue with the green.
Where?
Where? Where? Where?
Where?
Yeah, très bien. Next one.
No, this one.
Beige.
So I know gray and black.
Beige. Beige.
Beige.
Yeah.
Beige.
Yeah.
Gris or gahe.
Ghadi.
Marron
Yeah.
and noir.
Noir. Okay,
Noir.
marron noir.
Okay, ma'am.
Marron noir. Okay.
Oh, noir. Marron noir.
Très bien. Anitanya, continue.
Les couleurs
Yeah.
blanc,
Yeah.
jaune और orange,
Wow.
rouge,
Wow.
rose,
Très bien.
violet,
Très bien.
bleu,
Wow.
vert,
Where? Not T. Do not pronounce T.
Where.
Yeah, where?
vert,
Yeah.
vert, beige,
Beige.
beige,
Yeah.
gris,
Yeah. Green.
marron,
Gray or green. Okay.
green,
Better is you say
Green.
green. Okay. The better word
Green.
is green. Green.
Green.
Green.
gris,
Yeah.
gris, marron,
Yeah.
noir.
Noir. Très bien. Akshay. I will call Akshay. Unmute yourself. We are waiting. Akshay. Akshay. No. Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, why Akshay do not speak anything?
It's okay. It's his choice, you know. All right. Very nice, Akshay. We are waiting. Whenever you want to say, you can tell me, okay? All right. So, I mean, you have any question from this page? Any doubt how to say
No,
any
ma'am.
color? No? All right.
No, ma'am.
So, how to say orange?
I'm orange.
Orange,
Orange.
orange,
Orange.
orange,
Okay. And
Orange.
yellow?
orange,
Yellow as in? Yellow as
Jean.
Jean.
jaune, jaune,
Jean.
Okay.
jaune.
Yeah. Okay. So, can you read the question?
Arya, we can read.
Okay. Very nice, Aravi.
Quelle couleur aimez-vous le bleu?
Blues. Okay. Yeah, Netanya, you want to read?
Ma'am, whole question was correct.
Yeah. Blues. It's just you are going to say blues. Okay. Quelle couleur aimez-vous le blues? Très bien.
Quelle
Quelle couleur aimez-vous plus?
Le blues. Okay. Quelle couleur
Le blues.
aimez-vous le blues? Okay.
Quelle couleur aimez-vous le plus?
Okay. So, you understand the meaning of this question?
Yes, ma'am.
So, tell me.
Ma'am, ma'am, cooler is colors.
है bien. MA
Blue
as
is black.
okay. I
Who
will
is
tell you which color you like
Ma'am.
most.
Ma'am, I think okay.
Which color you like. So if I remove it, love plus. Okay. For now, I'm
which
just
color?
repeating it. Okay. So quel couleur aimez-vous? Which color you like? Quel couleur aimez-vous? Vous as in you, right? Vous as in you. Aimer like. So which color you like? So you can say I like all the colors. So j'aime toutes les couleurs. Okay, j'aime toutes les couleurs.
Toutes les couleurs.
Yeah.
J'aime toutes les couleurs.
Yeah. Or if you want to say I like red color, you can say j'aime la couleur rouge. J'aime la couleur
J'aime la couleur rouge.
rouge. Okay.
Very easy. If I like red and black, we will say j'aime le rouge et le noir.
Noir. Très bien. Okay, so you can say j'aime le rouge et le noir. J'aime la couleur rouge, j'aime toutes les couleurs. Okay? So j'aime toutes les couleurs, j'aime la couleur rouge, j'aime le rouge et le noir. I like red and black. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it? All right. So today you have learned the colors name. All right. So there is one more slide. This is also for the colors. Okay. Les couleurs. But this slide we are going to discuss. Yeah, we will discuss this slide in the next session, not in this session. So what you see, there are the 4 columns: masculine, femina, masculine plural, femina plural, right? So the first column we learned today, the first column, which is masculine and singular. Singular means one. Okay. So masculine, singular, today we learned this column. So in upcoming sessions, we will learn all the left remaining, the 3 columns. Okay.
Ma'am, can I say the after the masculine, feminine one, ma'am, please?
Yeah, you can try if you want to. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Jean, whose, whose, blue, verte, noire,
Wow.
gehe,
Wow.
blanche,
Wow.
violet,
Okay.
marron,
Très bien.
orange.
Très bien. So
Okay.
Nitanya, you agree? Nitanya, you want to try?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Jaune, rouge, rose, bleu, vert, noir, gris, blonde, blanche, violet, marron, orange.
Très bien. Well tried, Nitanya. So in the next session, we will discuss the correct pronunciation. Okay, not today, but you did very well. You tried very well. Okay. All right. So today we learned these colors, right? And I think that's all for the day. And if you have any question, like, so now today you have added one more point. If you want to present yourself, like you can talk about the colors, right? You can talk about the colors, like I like all the colors, but red is my favorite color, or yellow is my favorite color. So there is a one
Ma'am,
more
is it
sentence.
compulsory to make that video?
Ma'am, at the end, it is
I
written
mean, I
that
just want you to prepare. It's not a compulsion. It's not, there is no compulsion if you want to participate or not. There is no compulsion. It's totally, you are
Okay, ma'am.
free, you're totally free. It's just, you know, you will be more comfortable. So that this is for your learning, right? Whatever
Okay.
you do, this is for your learning. If you do not participate,
Yes.
that is your choice. Okay. I just want you, like if you want to participate in the contest, So you can add this line also, like I like all the colors. So this is all how you are adding if you want to present yourself, and this will give you more comfort zone if you speak with a French people who speaks French very well, right? And you will be able to tell that person about yourself, like what you are and what are your likes, what you do not
Ma'am,
like.
also that like I like red color in this form also, that j'aime la couleur rouge le moins.
Le moi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so j'aime la couleur rouge. Okay, this is
I
j'aime.
like red color the
Yeah,
most.
yeah, le plus. This is le plus. Most as
Okay,
in
ma'am.
le plus. Okay, j'aime la
And
couleur.
what is the end question?
Moi, least.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So j'aime la couleur rouge. J'aime la couleur rouge. Okay, just focus on the right pronunciation. Okay, जैसे हम इंग्लिश में अगर कोई वर्ड गलत बोलते हैं तो हमें अच्छा नहीं लगता ना. जैसे हमने डिफरेंट बोलना है, अगर हमें प्लस बोलना है हम उसको गलत बोल दें तो अच्छा नहीं
Plus.
लगता ना. सेम एज अगर हम फ्रेंच को गलत तरीके से प्रोनाउंस करेंगे तो यू डू नॉट फील कंफर्टेबल. ओ हमने शायद से गलत बोल दिया, है ना. तो सेम वे,
Yes.
तो
Yes,
आपको
ma'am.
राइट प्रोनाउंसिएशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दैट्स व्हाई यू आर लर्निंग हाउ टू प्रोनाउंस इट, राइट.
So ma'am, plus plus.
Clues, very nice. Okay, so that's all for the day. So today you have learned 2 slides, this one, so many things you learned today, and the colors. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
Abhi
ma'am.
also, ma'am, madam.
Merci beaucoup. Bisous bisous. Au revoir. Bye.
Madam,
Yes.
abhi also.
A bientôt. A bientôt.
Au
Bye, ma'am.
revoir.
Au
Au
revoir.
revoir.
Au revoir. This is au
Au
revoir.
revoir.
Au
Yes,
revoir.
Au
ma'am.
revoir.
Oh,
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
All the best.